Mayor, Honorable
Anak ko.
to our respected public school teacher supervisor, Ma'am Susan and Darla, to our team principal, Mr. Alfred Sidas, our dedicated and beloved teachers, proud and supportive parents, honored guests, and my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all. Today, we stand at a crossroads, a place where one road ends and another full of promises begin. We gather here not simply to mark the end of our business journey, but to celebrate every early morning, every challenge overcome, and every lesson learned that brought us to this very moment. This day is the fruit of our hard work, our perseverance, and our determination. On behalf of the graduating class, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our parents, teachers, guests, and everyone who has joined us for this celebration. Our team, Filipino Godless, prepared to lead with competence and character, is not just a phrase, it is a calling. It reminds us that a diploma is more than a piece of paper, it is a commitment. Competence calls us to use the knowledge and skills we have built. To read critically, to think deeply, to solve problems with confidence. But character calls us higher skills, to be respectful, responsible, honest, and kind. Not only when it is easy, but especially when it is hard. None of us arrived here alone. Our teachers have walked every step of this journey with us. They stayed patient when we struggled, cheered loudest when we succeeded, and believed in us on the days we did not believe in ourselves. They lit a fire in us, not just a love of learning, but a love of becoming. For that, we are endlessly grateful. And to our parents, thank you for the sacrifices you made quietly, the encouragement you gave freely, and the love you never withheld. You are the foundation of everything we have built. My fellow graduates, we may be young, but we are not small. We carry with us real benefits, real memories, and real lessons that will serve us for life. As we step into junior high school, let us carry forward the values the school has planted in us. Let us strive not just for success, but for significance, to be students, sons, daughters, and someday leaders who make our families, our schools, and our country proud. This is not the end of our story. It is only the end of the first chapter, and the best chapter is still ahead. Welcome, once again, to our graduation ceremony. Let us celebrate today with pride in what we have achieved, joy in who we are becoming, and gratitude for every person who helped us get here. Thank you, and good afternoon to all.